Let's open this one. We buy it online in the ball.com. And let's review this product. So this is it. So this is it. Very nice. Nicely colored. This is the one. The one that we order this one. This is the elbow crutches. We buy this one online for a reason, for a purpose. So, if you are fractured or nabilwa ka, kung sa Bisaya pa, unya ni hubag imong tiil, or napandol ka, and then you never know if it is something happened to your bones, then you have to use this one. Maximum of 136 kilogram, as you can read. Crutches open cuff red. 1 year warranty. So, ano siya? Durable kay siya. This is it. I'll show you, ha? We ordered this one. Akong i-demo ha kung okay ba siya, durable ba talaga siya. So far, okay talaga siya i-walk. Ano lang siya, almost 25 euro. Mas mabuti kung magbili ka kasi ang rental nila dito is the same as the new price. So the renting is almost also 25 euro, and that is only maybe 2 weeks or 1 week, it depends. So, and then you have to pay again, and when you buy one, and that is only one time, 25 euro.
Crutches.
My advice is buy it online. If something happened to your feet while walking or while working, and then
Maximum of 100.
you went to the hospital for X3 to find out if there is a broken bones, then right away the hospital is giving you crutches, and it is rent. So the price is the same as you buy this one.
I'll show you, ha? Durable kay siya. I like the color. Red.
You can adjust how tall you are. You can also put it here and put it also here. Better to buy than rent, because the rent is the same price when you buy it. Try also to buy online if it is sales, because if it is sales, meaning it is a little bit low price than the original price, so you can save also a lot. So my review of this product is very nice. As you can see, the color, and yeah, it is really nice and it is comfortable if you use it. So, and if you are finished using it because you're already okay, so you can give it to also to other people who need it, especially those people who cannot afford. Be helping people is the best thing, especially in the Philippines, in our country.